Hey everybody, good to see you again. This is Walt Bailey, Jon Sanborn, co-owner, Brotherly Love Real Estate. You invited us in to your living room a while ago and we showed you some of the properties that we're acquiring that need a lot of stuff. Like your property might need a lot of stuff. So once again, just to reiterate, if it's a rehab house, if you've been divorced, what, John?
Squatter occupied, non-paying tenant, hoarder, whatever the case may be.
Whatever the case may be, we will come out and give you a wellness check on your property and make you a very fair offer, okay? I've been knowing John for some years now. I have some properties. John purchased one. The thing I loved about John, as I said before, the script don't change because it's true. The thing I loved about John was his integrity, his accountability. We talked about a closing date, and we talked about the finances. Everything went smooth. If there was a question, if an I needed to be dotted or a T needed to be crossed, John took care of it. So I respect him, I respect his craft. He respects me and my craft, but now we're putting it together. So you let us in your living room, we want you to see ours because this is one of the finished products right here. So on that, I'm gonna let Jon Sanborn, co-owner, Brotherly Love Real Estate, speak to you.
Thanks, Walt, that was perfect. Yeah, so as mentioned, this was a property that we purchased, was squatter occupied actually. We approached the occupants post-closing. We were able to we remedied the situation where they were able to move out. The previous owner was able to sell with the people in here. That was a huge stressor in their life. There was a lot of weird tension between the occupants and those owners. So they were able to sell to us completely as is with the people in here. So we made settlement, like Walt said, under 30 days, whatever was good for that seller. And this was the final product. It came together really well. The floors were able to be finished. Real hardwood floors, beautiful kitchen, and currently listed actually for only $279. So great neighborhood, East Oak Lane of Philadelphia. Check it out.
So on that note, while you're checking everything out, we just want to remind you how important it is that you want to take your next step from wherever you are into where you're going. The key is vision. We're not coming to rob you. We're very fair. We're coming to help you make a change in the direction of your life. So give us a call, let us come out, do a home review, and if we close with you, which I'm sure you will, because you'll like this guy. If we close with you, we're going to send you away for a night or a weekend on us. You can't beat that. So listen, thanks for tuning in. John, you want to give him the number or anything?
Call the number down below. I'll get you there. Check us out on the web, brotherlyloveproperties.com.
Until then, take care. See you soon.
See you, everybody.